How to fix Play Store bug easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix any Play Store bug is simple. Go to your settings on your phone. This is the first step. And now scroll down and click on the apps manager. Click on apps, and right here you will find all the apps on your phone. So all what you have to do is click on the search bar and search for Play Store like this. Click on Play Store, and now all what you have to do is click on this permissions option, and now make sure to disable all those options right here and go back, and now click on data usage. Now right here disable all these options and enable them again, and then go back and click on storage. Now clear data and cache, and then go back again, and now click on force stop. Now let's go to home page. All what you have to do is restart your phone, and then I am sure 100% that the Play Store is now gonna work as it was before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.